In 1997, a mysterious former computer consultant, today known only as Cliff, created a program called WebBot. Those familiar with WebBot and its inventor say Cliff designed the program to predict future stock market trends.
The WebBot program is really interesting because it corresponds with a Hopi prophecy that towards the end time, the world would become like a spider web and everybody would be able to communicate, interconnected by this web. Well, we've got the World Wide Web now.
The Internet's powerful ability to disseminate and build upon vast amounts of global information has led some to a provocative belief that the Internet is a repository of our own psychic visions of the future. WebBot is our tool to decoding it.
The WebBot project is looking to tap into the collective unconscious of humanity by focusing on specific search words and keywords to kind of look for tipping points, trends, memes, paradigms that are being discussed on the internet.
WebBot is a software application that automatically combs internet data in search of keywords denoting trends. It not only finds the keywords, but those surrounding them, and analyzes the results using linguistic tools. The data ends up at a central collection point, its location and data collectors still unknown, where they can be read and interpreted. Results emerge as mysterious clipped fragments, reminiscent of the poem-like quatrains of history's most famous seer, Nostradamus. In the 1990s, WebBot completed countless word searches and compiled trend reports. And in 2001, an unexpected pattern seemed to emerge.
I first heard about it in June of 2001 when one of my friends sent me an email saying some crackpot is saying that there's going to be something happening in late summer, high-rise buildings are going to be destroyed, airplanes, terrorism, many die. And I went, yeah, right, whatever, you know, and I ignored it. And 911 happened. A few years later, I got another message from my friend saying that crazy guy is saying something again. I said, what's he saying now? And he's saying, southern city, flood, many die. And I said, okay, if anything happened, I would now start paying attention to this guy. Well, Katrina happened 3 weeks later in New Orleans.
Hurricane Katrina barreled into the southern coast of the United States on August 29, 2005, causing catastrophic floods and levee failures throughout 80% of the city of New Orleans. Nearly 2,000 people lost their lives. Property damage surpassed $100 billion. Those using WebBot as a predictive device began forecasting more trends, many of which supposedly point to a dark and dangerous future. The 2008 stock market crash, bank failures, mass unemployment, collapse of the housing market. According to some, WebBot saw it all coming, based on information in cyberspace.